everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's video we're going to be making Katogo.
It's a Ugandan dish, by the way, if you don't know. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix beans, cassava, and then some, ingredients. Today we'll need our cassava, and then we have our kidney beans, tomatoes, onion, carrots, pepper bell, and our spices. Also today we will not be using oil. We chose to use cow ghee. I'll mix my beans and cassava first, some water and also salt, and then it will boil, and then I'll show you the next step. So what I always do, I first start with my beans. They are kidney beans. Some beans, and then a little bit of katogo, and some cassava, just a little bit, and then I will just make layers like beans, cassava, just like this, so that they mix, because when cassava boils, basically, or when it cooks, like you can't mix it so much because then it will break.
That's the reason why you mix like layers.
That's why I mix layers, because they can get broken basically.
Okay.
So yeah, and then I'll put some beans again. I'll add in some water. So basically after mixing cassava and beans, I will just put them to boil, and then I will fry the rest of the ingredients. Right now we're gonna fry our other ingredients. So basically I'll start with my cow ghee. I'll heat it up just like this, wait for it to melt. So I'll go with my onions and carrots. I like to put them together. And then I'll wait for them to become a little bit brownish. Then I'll add in my bell pepper and then tomatoes.
But while we are still waiting like for the onions and the carrots to brown up, can you like tell me your favorite memory about Katogo?
We used to eat it a lot at home, and also the next day, like for breakfast.
Yes.
With tea, and also just like that. So it was like a dinner and breakfast basically for the next day. I like it actually cold. The next day. Not cold from the fridge, but just cold.
Cold.
With a warm tea. It's the best.
One thing I remember is like my grandma in the village, because I was there most of the holidays. After we made it, like the local cooking stoves with wood and everything, we used to put it in banana leaves and then roast it, and then we eat it like when we're going to the garden, we take it with us and then we eat it from there. That hits different.
Banana leaves are definitely like, it's really nice from the banana leaves. Like when you cook it from there. Now it's time to add in my pepper bell. So basically after roasting my onions, carrots and bell pepper, I'll add in my tomatoes as well. Just a little bit, not so much of course. Just a little bit of tomatoes, because we don't want our food to taste tomatoes. So I'll put in like half of this. And then I'll let it get soft, and then the rest is just putting in the spices. You can use any spice you want. You don't need to be like, oh, this and that. If you want garlic, if you want whatever, just use anything of your choice. And now I'll put in mixed spices, and then I'll put in my aromats. And also I use Reiko. It's from Uganda, so I don't know if you guys have it, but it's Reiko. It's really nice. Smells good as well. So, and then I'll mix and mix. So guys, to mix in my my prepared cassava and beans, because like I have to mix it before it cooks fully, or else it will get so soft. So I'll mix now. So what I do basically, I mix in some of the water from my cassava and beans into the ingredients, just like this. Then I'll mix in the ingredients so that everything gets mixed. You see that red color. Actually, it doesn't take long to boil because now it's remaining like maybe 20 minutes. It can boil for 20 minutes, like on a low heat for like 20 minutes, and then it will be ready to eat. One thing is you can use the normal beans, like I think any type of beans, because sometimes at home I mix kidney beans and black beans as well. Or you can use like the dry beans, you can boil them. You can use the fresh beans, like any beans of your choice, like as long as they are boiled before you mix it in the cassava, then you're good to go, basically. Yeah. So now it's boiling, and then it's just a waiting game, and then I'll show you the results. I'll come back with the results.
So this is the finished product. We are serving the katogo with avocado and some greens over here. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.